Hello everybody, this is Shabana. Today I'm gonna show you waterfall braid, and this is one of my favorite braids, and it's really easy to do it, but it looks really nice when you the finished look. It's really nice. So here what I did is just I'm taking three small sections and just I'm gonna do under braid on it, and I'm just using a tail comb on it, so it's easier to grab a section. So here's the one section, then I'm gonna pull one small section from here and just add it to the braid. So I'm using underneath and just go over it. Once you do it, you get like it's really easy. So and we're gonna move as you towards the braid, because you don't want to stand on one side and just it's gonna be buckled up. So and I use the really light spray on it, but when you finish it you can use 50% wax, 50% of spray. That gives like really nice hold on it, but it gives really nice shine on it. And just smooth it out a section. And one more thing you can do, you can just curl the hair before you do it. If you have time, if you don't have it, just you can do straight. And you want to project the hair where the hair grows, so we are not over directing our hair. This is the last section, and I'm gonna finish my braids just like under braided. And before putting on her hair, I'm gonna spray really light on it, and you don't want to spray right over it, just stay away from it. So, and when you use your bobby pin, you don't want to open your bobby pin, otherwise it's gonna grab more hair, and it's not gonna hold perfectly. Here I'm using hairpins. Just you want to go in it and just pin it in. so it's not gonna show your hairpins in it. I'm using other one. Here we go. So you're not gonna see your pins. So finished look is like this. Really nice. It looks really nice at the evening look, or it's bridal. I mean, you can do various designs with that. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope I'll see you soon. Thank you.